Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to creator account on Instagram. So if you want to switch to creator account on Instagram from personal account, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So first of all, you open your Instagram app, click on your profile at the bottom right corner, click on the hamburger menu. Now scroll down and click on account type and tools. Click on switch to professional account. Click on next. Now it's going to show you an option to choose a category. What you have to do is to choose video creator. You can display it on your profile if you want. Now click on switch to professional account. Now it will give you two options, business or creator. Click on next. Click on next. Click on not now. You can now go ahead and set up your account and start creating content on Instagram. So that's how you switch to creator account on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.